guys, Kelsey from Corner Coffee here. Today we are doing our new spring drinks and we're gonna start off with the favorite blue mocha. So to get started, I'm gonna add to our cup here 10 grams of chocolate sauce. And then I'm gonna set this aside for a minute and I'm going to work on our blueberry frothy milk. So to get that going, we are using a little French press. They also make like cold milk frothers, but a little French press works just as well. And we are going to add 30 grams of our blueberry syrup, which is a house-made syrup. And then to the syrup, we're gonna add 200 grams of milk. You wanna make sure that the blueberry syrup is really incorporated with the milk here. You don't want it like sitting at the bottom or else you're not gonna get a nice even consistency. So if you do see some sitting towards the bottom, just give it a quick spin. But a way to avoid that is pour the syrup in first before the milk because it'll just osmosis. All right, we're gonna pull some shots. We're gonna add the shots to the chocolate sauce, mix it up really well, and then we're gonna add 50 grams of milk to the chocolate espresso mixture. We're doing this to cool it down a little bit and get it ready for some ice. Now, if you notice it's not mixed well, mix again. Now we're gonna add about 3/4 of a glass full of ice. Now the key to the drink is frothing the blueberry milk. So you're just gonna plunge the little filter a few times until it just about doubles in size. And then pour it over the chocolate and the espresso. And there you have your blue mocha. It's got a nice chocolatey espresso to the bottom, and then the top is a really beautifully light blueberry milk. So delicious.